This girl, bro. All right, let's do it, man. So I'm finna do the voiceover for this shit. I'm finna turn up. I don't know why she already going in here putting on all this makeup, bro. But it is what it is. We finna get into it. Let's see what she talking about. First, she finna look at her. Think she bougie. Got her little makeup pad in front of her face. Trying to show y'all what brand it is. Look at her. That's why she ain't got her nails done right now. That's why quarantine. Quarantine getting the best of her, bro. Right now, she's doing the what? What's this? Eyeshadow. We gonna call it eyeshadow. She getting over the eyes right now. I was watching my nigga DC Young Flash because I had to find out how to do this. I'm not gonna lie. Bruh say that's why she got allergies. Oh God, that's why she got allergies. Always talking about allergies and her medicine. And how you gonna breathe with all this stuff on your face, man? Your pores closed. But she doing the other eye right now. Eyeshadow. Look at her. Got all in my chair, turning my chair to a makeup chair. Look at her. Trying to be pretty. Trying to be pretty. Look at her. Fist moving fast as hell. I think it's sped up though. Look at her. Trying to be pretty. Put the little pencil all in the camera. Now she doing what? Still on the eyeshadow. Man, what she trying to make a new eye? She been doing it for a good little minute. On the eye again. Now she getting the other eye. I don't know why they gotta show y'all both eyes. You seen what she did on the first eye. Look at her. Trying to crop her forehead out the camera. It ain't working. Go ahead, get the other eye. Still on the eye. Girl, I look like a chest. On the game or on Fortnite or some shit. Now she's trying to get, what's that, eyeliner? I know these stills. Don't get it twisted. She do this every day for at least 12 hours a day. She on the other eye. Doing the eyeliner right now. Look at her. Steady trying to show the brand. We see it. It's the purple one and blue one. Put it up. Trying to show that little pad off hard. You know how when you get a new outfit, you trying to walk to the pencil sharpener to show your outfit off? Boy, I bet y'all love making these videos. Now she doing mascara. Turn up on the mascara. Look at her. Got my chair all in the video. It's crazy. Now every time somebody see my chair, they be like, oh, that's that chair from look at her. Trying to tuck her forehead. Watch how she scoot up close to the camera. Now she doing the we gonna call it, she lining her brow up. I don't know. Cleaning up under her eyebrows. That's what we gonna call it. Now she getting the corner and the little glittery gloss. Turning up. Now I think she putting on, what's this? We'll call it, I think she say she be using what's it? Moisturizer. Moisturizer before she put the makeup on her face. It's not gonna help though. She trying to basically say the makeup ain't on her face, it's on the moisturizer. Then she using e.l.f. She finna turn up e.l.f. I think this primer. I think she throwing on the primer right now. Here she goes showing off her makeup again, putting her pads all in the camera. Want you to see her makeup palette. Now she finna turn up with the what is it? Oh, she back to the first step. How you gonna show us one step and then get back? Oh, that's a mirror. Oh, that must be a mirror. Look at her. After this, she gonna be talking about she can't breathe. She need her asthma pump. Look at her. Yeah, try to put the edges out to cover up her forehead. You still got about 30 acres of forehead showing. Forehead still right there. Turning up. Look at her. I don't know why she want me to do this. She already know I'm finna cook her ass. Get on that ass. Get on that ass. Look at her looking pale as hell. She like girl off what's that movie called, bro? I forgot. Damn. Where them niggas were turning into wolves and shit. Damn, I forgot. Her name was Bella. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Now she going in with the bake. I'm gonna call this bake. Bake or contour, one of them. Contour, nah, this contour. Yeah, she hitting her T-zones right now. Yeah, hitting her T-zones.
Damn, slow that bit down, so.
Look at her, look at her. What she got 3 fingers on her forehead for? Look at that. She done put a crown on her forehead. She want to be the queen of this shit so bad. Look, got a crown on her forehead. Now she want to rub it off because she see a nigga talking about it. Got a crown on her forehead. Here she go showing off her palette again. We can't even see your face. What's it? Let me just name it for beauty. What's it called? It's upside down. I can't read it. Now she want to clean her brushes. Don't worry about them bundles. Don't worry about that. Now she paint her forehead. I guess that's what that palette do. She paint that shit orange. Forehead big as hell. This probably the longest process. She been doing that shit for a good little minute. She gonna try to skip it and speed it up. You know it took you 30 minutes to do your forehead, bro. Stop capping. Stop capping. Look at her. So used to hiding her face, trying to show y'all the palette. Now she going in. I think she's still doing the contour if she ain't hop on to the bake yet. And when she showed the bake, well, she already did bake. I don't know. One of them. She baked some. You know what I don't get? Why y'all, they call makeup, they already know what they doing. They be like beating my face. I think this is what, bake? Or this setting. She put it on a little sponge or some shit. She been here taking the sponges we supposed to wash the dishes with, trying to do makeup. I be seeing her. Look at her. Trying to show off all the makeup. Why you gotta show them everything before you do it? Oh, so y'all can know what it is. Okay. I'm gonna let you pass. Look at her, bro. It's crazy. She's putting on a whole new face. I bet she get home, get tired, take her face off, put it on the hanger, and put it in the closet. You know what, bro? We finna start turning up. Y'all can go in there and make a whole new face. Shit, we finna go out here. Fuck a haircut. God, we finna start getting new. Man, we finna start buying hairstyles at the stove. Like, shit, go get me a hair, afro. Shit, new lineup. All that. Y'all be turning up. Now I think she putting on a lip liner. Look at this girl. Look at this girl, bro. That's crazy. She ain't gonna like this voiceover. I don't know why she let me do this at all. Allergies just beating the hell out of her right now. What that boy DC had me doing when he said that, cause she showed me talking about some asthma. Look at her head big as hell, leaning and shit, can't even keep her head up. But it's the final look, I guess. If y'all wanna look like this, y'all probably could have been done earlier. Her head took about 4 minutes of the video, her forehead. But yeah, if y'all like the video, drop a like. Y'all go ahead and subscribe to my girl shit, bro. Turn up. If not, I will be at your door. On me.